What's the meaning of classlessness? Classlessness. Classlessness.
Classlessness. Classlessness. Classlessness refers to a society in which there are no social classes, meaning all individuals have equal access to resources and social status. In a classless society, wealth and power are distributed evenly among all members, and there is no hierarchy based on socioeconomic status. While today's societies are characterized by social stratification and inequality, classlessness is an ideal that has been pursued in various forms by different political ideologies. Achieving a classless society would require significant restructuring of social and economic systems, and is often seen as a highly utopian goal.